Hello kids, welcome to Yammukidstv. Happy face, smiley. Kids, please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Okay kids, learn some colors. First, pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, blue color, lavender color, green color, orange color, red color. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel. Cute fairy coloring first. Fairy wings, sky blue color, pencil coloring, sky blue color, pencil coloring. Cute fairy, sky blue color wings coloring. Which color kids? Sky blue color pencil coloring. Super coloring. Cute pencil coloring. Fairy wings coloring. Super coloring. Cute fairy wings coloring. Pencil coloring. Super coloring. Cute fairy pencil coloring. Then which color fairy hair? Cute pink fairy hair. Cute pink color fairy hair. Cutie pink. Super coloring. Fairy hair coloring. Cute pink. Cutie pink. Super coloring. Then fairy face, skin color, fairy face, skin color, pencil coloring, skin color, pencil coloring, super coloring. Cute fairy pencil coloring. Cute fairy pencil coloring. Okay, again skin tone, super coloring, skin coloring, pencil coloring, skin tone coloring. Super pencil coloring, skin tone coloring, coloring. Cute fairy dust. Red color. Super coloring. Super. Okay kids, cute fairy coloring. Please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share.